Hey everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can use MCP server to create a PDF report. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how you can use this MCP server to create this nice PDF. So our source of the data will be the same here, support ticket data, which we use to create this additional sheet. Along with that, we also use that to create the PowerPoint presentation. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a PDF report. Here we will be using the Notion. So we'll be connecting this Notion through the MCP server, and then our AI will automatically write all the analysis, recommendations, and it will write this full report here in the Notion. Once this report is prepared and uploaded on the Notion, thereafter you can export this, you can download it as the PDF. All these things were done in the matter of the 2 minutes. So now you can understand that how powerful AI is here. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and get started with the first understanding this data and then how the overall process we are going to set up so that we can prepare this report. Let's go ahead and get started. Hi everyone. So in previous couple of videos, we have seen how you can work with the MCP server, how you can utilize your MCP server along with the Cloud AI to make your presentation, also how you can use that to analyze your Excel data. We had here a raw Excel data. We were able to analyze this Excel data and we got here a new analysis in analysis sheet. And thereafter we also utilized MCP server for PowerPoint presentation. We were able to make this PowerPoint presentation automatically using MCP server. We already have the list of the videos. You can come here at my YouTube channel, KGP Talkie. There is the playlist. In that playlist, you will get all those videos. So here is the playlist. In this playlist, you have MCP tutorial. In the MCP tutorial, you have the list of all the tutorial which I have covered by this time. All right, so this time I'm going to show you how you can create a PDF report using MCP server. So what we'll do here, we will utilize the same file which we have seen previously. This Excel sheet we will utilize, and thereafter we will try to prepare here a PDF report so that we can share this PDF report to your senior, to your junior, or to your colleague. Let's say you are working in a company and you suddenly got a CSV data or Excel data, whatever it is. So you got a Tableau data and your colleague or your senior wanted to make a presentation. Then you can utilize this AI tool to make a quick presentation. Along with that, you can also make here a quick report. Let's go ahead and see how you can make that. So the first of all, you need to come here on the Google. You need to search here Notion MCP server. So you will get here the Notion MCP server. I'm just trying to find out where is that. Yeah, here it is. So you got Notion MCP server. So this particular MCP server we are going to utilize to create our PDF report using Notion. So here is the command which we are going to utilize to make our report. So this is something which we need to copy from here. The one thing you will notice, it need here npx, that is the Node.js, and also it needs here Notion API token. So this token we will get from the Notion server. Later I'll show you how you can create an API from the Notion. But before that, let me show you what it offers to you. It offers you, seems like, do they have what they offer? Doesn't seems like they have the details here. All right. Yeah, here it is. I guess they have all these tools. They have format, Notion append block, Notion retrieve block, Notion retrieve block children, Notion delete block, retrieve pages. All these tools are available there. Notion search, list all users. There are so many. All right, all these are available. Perfect. Let's go ahead and first of all add this, not this one, in fact this one. Let's go ahead and add this MCP server configuration to our Cloud AI. So we come here, thereafter what we do here, we need to click on control and the comma here. So as you do control and the comma, you need to come in developer and then edit configuration. You have Cloud desktop config. Inside this, we already have here couple of presentation or three servers here. Basically, we have Playwright MCP server, Excel MCP server. We also have here Office PowerPoint MCP server. Now we are going to make here a Notion MCP server. Now in this Notion MCP server, let me tell you, this is npx node.js command here. Argument -y says that it is going to accept automatically all the tool ask. Previously in Office PowerPoint presentation, we had seen there, we needed to actually click on each of the tool call there the first time. But here we don't need to click because it is going to automatically accept everything from the user. Ideally, from the security point of view, you should not do that, but as of now it is perfectly fine. Then this is the MCP server. All right, so from this user it is going to get the MCP server. All right, now what we need to do here, we actually need to add our Notion API token. So we come here. All right, what do we do here? Let me just see that. I guess I copied some wrong information, or is it correct one? Okay, this is the correct one, and this one is also correct one. Anyway, so everything is correct one. Otherwise we can remove that markdown if we want. Anyway, so we come here at Notion. Now here Notion, in the Notion you need to first of all log in. So I already have here account. I'm going to log in into the Notion. Once you are logged in into the Notion, you should be able to see a report if you already have. Otherwise we need to create here first of all API key, so that we are going to create from the integration. Let me just see where is the integration. I need to figure out where is that. So develop or manage integration, do you see there? You need to click on there, then you come to the integration, click on new integration. I write here associated workspace, that is going to be the my workspace internal, and then save it. It needs here name as well. Let's say the MCP tools, and then I click on save. Thereafter configure this integration tool, and thereafter it says that your integration doesn't have access to any page yet. All right, I'll give the access, and here is the internal secret access, I mean the tool there. So this is something which you need to copy from here, and then you need to paste it here. I guess you need to paste it here. All right, now you have your API token. Also you need to make sure that you provide a proper page access here. So what we will do here, we are going to provide all the capabilities here, insert and the read comment, read user information including the email address, and then I'm going to save this. Along with that, I need to come here inside the access and then the select pages. So I'm going to provide all the pages here. All right, so let me just see that, do I have any page, specific page which I want to provide? All right, so these are the pages which I want to provide. I guess I don't think that I need to provide any page here. All right, let me just see that. Seems like everything is fine, it will automatically do, or I need to go in the access tab. Okay, so what we'll do here, in fact, first of all we have to create there a page so that we can have a access there. So like here we have a technical report. This is where I had written my report previously. I'm going to create here one more page here. I'm going to say that here new technical report. All right, so for this page I'm going to provide the access here. So I come here, select pages, private, and then I have here new technical report here. Thereafter I provide the access to that particular page. Now my token, my MCP tool should be able to write there a new report. All right, now we have added our MCP tool, MCP configuration here, Notion MCP configuration. We have provided proper access to our Notion API token. Now what we need to do, we need to restart our cloudy desktop. So the cloud desktop, you need to first of all quit it from the toolbar. Once you quit it, thereafter what you will do, you will restart it. All right, you might not be able to see that from where I'm quitting because that part is not getting recorded. So basically it is somewhere, you can say that, like you see there, this the toolbar comes there in Windows. If you just expand that, you would be able to see these tools there. So from there you can get. Now let's go ahead and see if that MCP tool is started. You come here in the developer, and thereafter you will see your Notion tool is up to date here and it is running, and all these environment parameters are here which we used here. All right, once that part is done, thereafter what you will do, you can open your Cloud AI, then we are going to create here a new chat. In this new chat, we need to get the access to our Excel file. So this is our Excel file. We are going to copy the path from here. Thereafter, what we do here, I say here you need to use Excel MCP tool to read this file. Thereafter, you need to use Notion MCP tool to create a detailed report. Perfect. You see, that's all you have to do here. So what it is going to do here, it will read this Excel sheet data and thereafter it will create a report at the Notion. Let's go ahead and run this and then see what happens here. So the magic has started here. Your MCP is going to be first use this Excel sheet and then it will start writing the report. So it has started reading how many seats are there. Once seats are available, thereafter it will start reading the data. So it is reading the data from support ticket data. All right. So it will take like 2 to 3 minutes to complete this whole report. Now you see there, the data has started coming out after these tool calls. Then it is reading the another sheet there, this analysis sheet, and from the analysis sheet, the data has came there. Once it has the data, thereafter it is trying to search the Notion and then it is going to get the Notion page properties. Support tickets analysis report is there. That is the page there available. All right. I'll search for existing page or the create new one. All right. So the search result shows that there is new technical report. There is one page available there. So what it will do, seems like it is going to use that particular page. All right, you can see here the page ID is there. So this particular page ID is going to be used there. All right. And then it is going to update this support ticket analysis report comprehensive review. And here is the response. It has started writing all this and now it has started adding the report here. And that is, it has started adding the parts of the report in the form of the block. Now, as you scroll it down, you can see all these blocks are getting added in your report. In a little bit time, it is going to be completed. Thereafter, we can review our report, which is written at the Notion. Now you can see finally it is adding here the recommendations and the action plan. So this is the final part of the report that is getting added at the Notion. You see there the block ID number is there and thereafter the children's divider, all these things are getting added like the strategic recommendation, thereafter immediate actions 0 to 30 days and all these steps are getting added there. And then a final conclusion section is also getting added. In the conclusion section, you can see here clearly conclusion is there and these information is getting added there. Now it has final report there. It has used this particular Excel sheet to extract the data and then it has updated the report at the Notion. This report is available here. We can just copy this from here. All right. So we can copy this from here or we can come here at the Notion and if we see our, our page there, earlier we had here new technical report, but that got actually, renamed there. Otherwise, you can just simply open it here directly. You should be able to see support ticket analysis report comprehensive review. So executive summary starts here. A comprehensive analysis covers 50 support tickets submitted between this and that time. Thereafter, the key performance metrics you have. Then you have issue type analysis is there. So these kind of the problems were coming. Thereafter, you have priority level analysis. Then you have here a customer satisfaction breakdown. Thereafter, you have here the agent performance analysis report. Then you have here a critical issues identified. Then strategic recommendation is there. Your final report is ready. Now what you can do here, you can come here. Thereafter, you can export this in the PDF form. Let's say you want to share it with your boss. You can just simply share this report after downloading it as the PDF. Now you have downloaded this report as in the form of the PDF. Now you can see here how good this report is. Now you see how powerful AI is. Currently, AI is maturing. Once AI is completely matured, all these report writing, report preparations, Excel sheet preparation, and this PowerPoint presentation preparation, all these things can be automated. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you and you were able to prepare a report after analyzing your CSV or the Excel data. And if this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Bye-bye. Take care.